So I wanted you to show me my pepper clutch from last year. This is Pepper with all the siblings. See, here is Pepper. Then we have a very nice albino. Then there was also one batik, which you can see here. And then the other ones with a very nice pattern. I decided to keep all the babies because this pattern also looks something special to me. See another one here. And the last one who is up there. So as you can see, all of them, they are very nice. They are growing very well. I'm really happy with the way they are doing. It's really a good breeding result. Special animals who are doing great. So you see nice colors on all of them. So I decided to take them out today because here in Belgium we are not used to have nice weather like this in April. But we're extremely lucky today because it's 27 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much it is in Fahrenheit, but I can tell you it's really hot today. If not, I would not take them out. Okay, hope you enjoyed this movie. Bye bye.